Good morning, fans. Welcome to Cooking with a Side of Snide. I'm your hostess, Lisa. It's January 21st, 2021, and we have a new administration, so I thought I would celebrate by doing a video. First of all, before I start, I just want to say I got my hair cut, finally, by the amazing Brooke Minton at Elevation Hair Salon and Media, so please give her your business because she's fabulous. Anyway, I'm not actually cooking anything this morning. I want to show you how to make my sugar scrub because I've had so many compliments on it when I've given it as gifts. This is, a scrub for your skin, right? Very, very, very easy to make because it only takes 3 ingredients. Sugar, in liquid Castile soap, and tea tree essential oil. All right, now here's the tip, eine kleine tip, as my friend Carrie would say. Eine kleine tip is, this is actually store-bought sugar. I would actually recommend you use a name brand sugar. Believe it or not, the store-bought sugar is a little rougher. It still makes, it's fine, I still use it, but I've noticed when I use a name brand that it is a little bit smoother. All right, so I have this nifty little container that I buy from someplace online, I don't know where. If you want to know, ask me. I'll let you know. Have to look it up. Okay, so you just take a sugar that I usually go about 3/4 of the way up on this to start with the sugar. Then you take this liquid Castile soap, which I get in at a local health store. It's got a little lavender in it. It's got like a hemp lavender thing. And I just dump a bunch of that in. That's probably a 1/4 cup of that. Just take a knife, before I do that, whoops, I forgot the 3rd ingredient. Tea tree oil, which I get from a really great place called Le Mélange Home Fragrances, and they're in Florida. I love them. I've bought stuff from them for years, and they have really, really high quality products. Not much of that, okay, because that's pretty strong. It's an essential oil. Dip that in there. Then we start zipping it together here. And you just try to incorporate all the dry sugar into the wet ingredients. Are we all happy today? We got a new administration. Yeah. There's hope for America. I think I sobbed through most of the inauguration yesterday, like probably most of you. All right, so that's how much is in there now. I'm just gonna put a little bit more sugar in there to fill it up, kind of to the top. It doesn't matter. This is another, my usual. Just eyeball it. A little more of that. Just a petit peu de tea tree. Really don't need much of that. Okay, that's enough. Then you mix it together until it just kind of all incorporates. It's pretty very, very simple recipe. And I've given this as gifts to people over the years. Everybody absolutely loves it. I personally use this on my face, although they recommend that you don't, but I do. And I just think I look pretty good for an old gal, although it probably doesn't have much to do with sugar scrub, but anyway. So there it is. It's this really great scrubby, smells really good with the tea tree, and it's just really lovely. The reason I use tea tree is it's got great antiseptic properties. So then you just replace the little lid, and we have this sitting in our shower. We both use it, actually, on our bodies and our faces. And it's just a great way to sort of smooth your skin out while you're in the shower. So that's my sugar scrub. And enjoy. Thanks for watching.